Hello, friends! In the previous video, we learned how to create presentations. Now let's see how to use them. Let's get started! Once you have created your own presentation, or your administrator has shared one or more with you, when you connect to a call, you will see an additional presentation selection window. All presentations available to you will be displayed here. You can also continue the call without presentations. To do this, keep the Without Script option, which is automatically selected, or click on the presentation you need in the list and click the Start a Call button. In the previous video, we created 3 presentations. Let's start with the first one, which consists only of slides. We can see that we have an additional control panel. Clicking on this button displays an animation of the whiteboard opening, which immediately displays the presentation from the first slide. Use the navigation buttons on the control bar to scroll through the slides. You can also open a list with a complete list of slides from your presentation. And if you need to go straight to the slide you want, click on its thumbnail in the list. When the whiteboard is active, you can also use other tools of our application. For example, you can draw on the board, use live objects, give rewards, and even move the character to the opposite side of the whiteboard. To close the whiteboard, press the button on the control panel again. Now let's take a look at the second presentation we created. As you can see, all the live objects selected when we created the presentation are collected in a separate tab. At the same time, we can also use other live objects from the Live Objects catalog. And just like in the first presentation, we have a whiteboard available for use. Let's switch to our third presentation. Here we see that we have a block on the right with the scenario of our lesson. You can increase or decrease the font size to make it easier for you to read. To make it easier for you to navigate through the text, you can mark lines as completed. To do this, click on the green check mark next to the replica. If the last line in the chapter is marked as completed, your script automatically moves to the next chapter. You can also manually expand the part of the script you need by clicking on the arrow next to the chapter title. If you need to go back through a replica or chapter that has already been marked as completed, just click the refresh button next to the replica or chapter. And that's it! These simple but useful tools should help you to conduct your lessons and reduce the time spent searching for the right living objects or phrases. We wish you productive and interesting lessons. See you soon!